Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the Splunk SPL Time Command. Time manipulation is a fundamental skill in Splunk that allows you to work with timestamps, convert between different time formats, and perform time-based calculations. The time command provides powerful functions for formatting dates, parsing time strings, and performing arithmetic operations on temporal data. Whether you are analyzing log files, creating reports, or building dashboards, understanding time manipulation will significantly enhance your Splunk capabilities. The foundation of time manipulation in Splunk relies on two primary functions, strftime and strptime. The eval command combined with strftime allows you to format timestamps into human-readable strings. For example, eval new underscore field equals strftime of underscore time with format specifier %y-%m-%d creates a date field. Similarly, strptime parses formatted date strings back into Unix timestamps. The syntax follows eval timestamp equals strptime of date string with format %m/%d/%y. These functions work together to provide complete time conversion capabilities. Understanding format specifiers is crucial for effective time manipulation. Date formats include %y for 4-digit years, %m for months from 01 to 12, %d for days from 01 to 31, and %b for full month names like January or February. Time formats use %h for 24-hour format from 00 to 23, %m for minutes from 00 to 59, %s for seconds from 00 to 59, and %p for AM/PM indicators. These specifiers can be combined in various ways to create custom date and time formats that match your specific data requirements. The strftime function converts Unix timestamps into human-readable date formats using specified format strings. This function takes a timestamp, typically the underscore time field, and transforms it according to your format specification. For instance, eval readable underscore date equals strftime of underscore time with format %y-m-%d%h:%m creates a readable timestamp showing year, month, day, hour, and minute. Another example, eval month underscore year equals strftime of underscore time with format %b space %y, produces output like March 2025. This function is essential for creating user-friendly date displays in reports and visualizations. The strptime function performs the reverse operation of strftime by parsing formatted date strings and converting them to Unix timestamps. This is particularly useful when working with log files that contain dates in various string formats. The function takes a date string and a format specification to produce a timestamp suitable for calculations and comparisons. For example, eval timestamp equals strptime of date field with format %m/%d/%y converts dates like 3/15/2025 into Unix timestamps. Similarly, eval parsed underscore time equals strptime of date time with format %y-%m-%d space %h:%m handles formatted date time strings. Splunk enables powerful time arithmetic operations using Unix timestamps measured in seconds since January 1, 1970. Adding time involves simple addition. Eval future underscore time equals underscore time plus 3600 adds 1 hour, since 3600 seconds equal 1 hour. For longer periods, eval next underscore week equals underscore time plus 7 times 24 times 3600 adds exactly 1 week. Subtraction works similarly. Eval past underscore time equals underscore time minus 1800 subtracts 30 minutes. Duration calculations use eval duration equals end underscore time minus start underscore time to find time differences between events. Real-world applications demonstrate the power of time conversion functions. Converting log timestamps involves parsing the original format first, then formatting for display. For Apache logs, eval log underscore date equals strptime of timestamp with format %d/%b/%y:%h:%m:%s parses common log formats. Following this with eval readable equals strftime of log underscore date with format %y dash %m dash %d space %h colon %m creates clean, readable timestamps. Age calculations use eval age underscore seconds equals now function minus underscore time to find elapsed time. Then eval age underscore days equals age underscore seconds divided by 86,400 converts to days. Mastering Splunk time functions requires understanding 4 key concepts. First, strftime converts timestamps to readable formats, making it essential for creating user-friendly displays and reports. Second, strptime parses date strings to timestamps, enabling you to work with various input formats from different log sources. Third, Time Arithmetic uses seconds as the base unit, so remember that 1 hour equals 3,600 seconds, and 1 day equals 86,400 seconds. Finally, format specifiers enable precise control over output formats, allowing you to match organizational standards or create custom displays. Practice these concepts with your own data to build confidence and discover additional applications for your specific use cases. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.